every FESPA visitor that is looking for digital printing is potential audience. Of course, we have three product lineups, like sign graphics and industrial products, textile and apparel products, where we all see connections to every single market. For sign graphics, we have some samples at the booth which shows 3D images coming out, so 3D signage. But also for the textile and apparel market, you can think of fashion accessories, for example, which is a completely new market for our existing partners and existing customers. And of course, we have the 3D market, as everybody knows, production of parts, prototyping, and the architecture market. So besides this, we have noticed many companies here which give us new ideas where we can utilize our full color 3D printing. So yeah. Well, we are showing the 3D, of course. It's the main attraction we have. But besides this, we are launching a new model for our UGF series. So this is the UGF 3042 EX version. We have added one printhead to this machine, so we can add all special colors like white, clear varnish, primer. We can all add this in one machine. So this is specifically targeted at our promotional market, promotional customers, to print on all kinds of promotional goods, and with this they can expand their portfolio basically, and this is what we would like to offer to them. So for textile we have basically 2.5 new launches. So we have added the TS30 to our portfolio, which is an entry-level textile machine. Besides this, we have upgraded our TX300 machine with a dual ink option, which means that customers can run both sublimation ink and textile pigment ink at the same time. This has a huge benefit because customers now cannot only print on polyester, but they can also print on different materials like cotton, for example, and using the same post-treatment devices which they already have. So this is a great addition to our portfolio as well. Our biggest launch, to answer your question, is of course the Lamicanica products, with the Tiger as a main product of the show for us. The acquisition of Lamicanica for Mimaki is a very important one because Lamicanica is adding the high-end products, so the high-speed products to the portfolio of Mimaki, which we didn't have before. So this is a really nice step for Mimaki to complete our textile portfolio. Textile industry is one of our big core businesses, but for Mimaki specifically, we depend not only on textile, but just as important is our developments in sign graphics market, in industrial market. So we will follow where our end users want us to go, basically. They keep on challenging us into new developments. So yes, for sure, if we have to make new developments in textile or in sign graphics or industrial or even in 3D business, we will for sure consider to do this, either by our own developments or to expand in future like we did. Well, as I mentioned before a little bit, what Mimaki is so special about is we are a company that has a complete lineup. So if we look at the horizontal market, we have the different products group as I described before. So sign graphics, industrial products, textile, we have added 3D now. So basically we are giving our end users the possibility to stay with one brand, to develop and diversify their business and come up with new products towards their customers. And this is very important for us. We try to grow with our customers. We see the opportunities, our customers are getting bigger, they are exploring new possibilities. So this is our core business. Besides this, we are active in the market for a long time. All of these products have one thing in common, that Mimaki is developing on piezo-based inkjet technology. That means that our dealers, our partners have a lot of knowledge. Even though we are looking in different segments, they know our machines inside out. So our service level to our end users is by far one of the most important key points, key values of Mimaki as a company. Yes. Well, FESPA is very important for us. FESPA is an event which internationally is attracting a lot of people. But not only for Mimaki, it's important to attract customers that buy our equipment. it's just as important to speak to our journalists, to suppliers. So for us, it's not only attracting the customers, but we would like to identify trends in the market, speak to opinion leaders in the industry, and that's what you can find here at FESPA. So we are always very pleased to be here and to start sharing information.